Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Google Pixel 8 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and right here in the general settings, of course, we have to scroll to find sound and vibration. Then let's scroll down, and right here we've got kind of the ringtone section or sound section, and basically all we have to do is to tap on phone ringtone, and we've been transferred to the pre-installed options from which we can choose. Right here we've got the albums, so you can check which album contains which amount of sounds. So basically just pick the one you'd like to check and tap on it. So let me maybe pick seasonal celebrations, and as you can see we've got more options, more sounds to choose from. So let me tap on it in order to listen how it actually sounds. For example, this one. So you can hear the particular ringtones and decide whether you like them or not. And if you want to set a ringtone, so for example, let's pretend I want this flower waltz, simply tap on it and make sure that it is marked, and then confirm it with tapping on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.